This is Wave Projector Lamp, a seasonal product that is a novelty to decorate anywhere imaginable in the dark, outside, on your house, on a wall, that will project Halloween, gifts like a birthday, and seasonal Christmas time. There are slides, about 7 or 8 of them, and is IP rated. It is very easy to hook up and to use. Out here on the table, I'm going to show you a close-up what you get and how to install. This is the remote control 2025 battery. You have a good number of buttons to remember. I'm briefly going to go over the remote control. You have about 7, 8 slides. You have here is a washer that slides over and locks into place on the bottom. There is one particular way this goes on, so please make sure you see the icons upside down placing in. 2 set screws to the gimbal type mount. A base that takes a 1/4 20 thread that can mount on a wall or anywhere you want to put. A 1/4 20 stake that you can stake to the ground by simply putting onto the 1/4 20 thread. The main unit with the 6 lights and the crystal that will shine on your property. This is where you put the cards in, and this is where you put the gimbal mount. And this is the 110 12 volt power supply. A screwdriver will be needed to put the Phillips head on to the base of the unit, like so. If you're using the wall mount, inside you can grab and spin on. To place in and change out a card, you simply loosen the thumb bolts. They will come out loosely. You're going to pick a card. Look for the icon being upside down, smooth side, not this side. Slide it in, and easy as it goes in. If you do it the opposite way, with this on the back side, it's not going to go in. Press it in nice and firmly. To take off, simply repeat the same process. To give you an idea, on the wall you can see the Halloween ghosts and goblins in the daylight on the background. When we use the remote control and pressing all the buttons, you get to see the way the things operate, just to give you an idea. When you first plug it in, it'll turn on. There is a reset button. So when you turn this unit in the on position, it will look like so. I'll try my best to quickly go over all the controls. You have a 2-hour set. It'll blink telling you it's on a 2-hour. You have a fade. So certain things will fade in and out. As you can see, the goblins are moving around. You have a red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. That's the color of the background. You have a M1, and you can see it pauses and increases the speed. You have another M that does about the same thing of the background. One will do the light, one will do the background. You have light 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the background light, which will turn off. So you can see number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You have a white, which will be the light's background, turning it to a white color. In order to change the cards out, you pull and put another one in. Remember, this is the back. This is the correct size for the front. This will go in the back. Remember, put this one facing towards the back. As it slides in, very easy, you'll see that I have Christmas. You want to lock these in perfect so it stays in focus. This is more Christmas. Let's come back in the evening hours so I can show you a better perspective and scope on the property at nighttime. This is the view against the wall. Happy birthday. Ghosts. Christmas presents and snowman. More holiday jolly cheering. Just in time for Halloween. You could put on the wall for Halloween and you can make it bigger and bigger the more you go back. Some more Christmas items. And of course, snowflakes. I tell you, holiday seasons decorate your house. I tell you, holiday seasons come and you got a nice dark area and this shines on your property in the distance you put this. This is a great product indeed to share the fun. Having a party, want to show the kids that you're in the spirit of the holidays. I hope this is seasonally fun for you, that you can share the fun and joy with others. I hope this product is right for you. Have a great day.